Michelle walked down the hallway the other day and she said, Rob, Hinge Health cannot be here for the Wetumpka conference. I'm looking for somebody that would be most suited to make a presentation about joint and muscle pain. And she said, that's got to be you. You're the oldest guy in the agency, and that's got to be you. And so that's how I got picked to stand in and do a presentation for Hinge Health. But as you know, I'm Rob Robison. I'm the Chief Operating Officer for your local government health insurance board. And I had an occasion yesterday to think back about how that's changed over the years. Because it used to be Rob, and I was active, fun when I was growing up and going to college, and I got married, and I went from being Rob to being Taylor's dad. And then it went to Tatum's dad and Chapman's dad and Marshall's dad. And it stayed that way for 25, 30, 40 years. And then yesterday it changed. And yesterday I became Lucy's granddad. And so I tell this crowd over here around the room to act their age, because all the things you do when you're young, like most of this audience, it comes back to haunt you when you look more like me. And so this aging process is rough sometimes, but yesterday it was all worthwhile. And so who has grandkids? All right, so all y'all beat me to it, but I'm happy to join that family. All right, let's talk about Hinge Health. So what is Hinge Health? We introduced this benefit last year at these conferences and told you that it was going to be available this year. We'd start getting our members signed up. But Hinge Health is a virtual physical therapy program. You know, if I live in Montgomery, I could have pretty good access to a physical therapist if I need one. But we don't all live in Montgomery or Jefferson County or Madison County or Mobile. A lot of our members are remote. And if you need to see a physical therapist, you got to make an appointment. You've got to get to the physical therapist's office. You got to wait for your appointment, go in, have the session, get back home. You wind up taking 2 or 3 or 4 hours off work to be able to see a therapist when you've got a joint or muscular pain or issue, or when you're looking at surgery. And so Hinge Health is a program that's designed to make those services available to everybody. Their slide says it's help when you need it. And I'm telling you, it's help where you need it too, because if I'm going to take 2 or 3 hours off of work to go to a physical therapist's office and do the exercises, that's a pain. And I got to pay a deductible. Well, if I sign up for the Hinge Health program, and I'll tell you a little bit more about how that works in just a minute, I can do that physical therapy on my time at my house and not have to pay a deductible or copay when it's in order to get those services. And then our benefit limits physical therapy services to a number of visits. This is not limited. And so they use technology to deliver these benefits. So you see, everything moves to your phone. There's a Hinge Health app that goes on your phone. And when you have a diagnosis or you have a problem, neck pain, the first thing they do is let you talk to a doctor of physical therapy. And the doctor understands your case and puts together a prescription of exercises that you do based on the app on your phone. It guides you through the process. While you're doing them, you're wearing devices. I had major knee surgery a couple years ago, and you put an elastic band above your knee, an elastic band below your knee that both have sensors on it, and it measures how far you can bend your knee, how many repetitions you do. And so between those wearable devices and the app on the phone, that's how you accomplish your physical therapy. Well, guess what else you get? You get a health coach that follows up with you every week. Rob, I see you didn't do your exercises this week. What's going on? And so, Rob, are your exercises too hard? Are they too easy? And so the health coach makes frequent contact with you, and then they update the exercise or the physical therapy program to fit what's going on with you. So a lot of people that are having joint or muscle pain can take advantage of something called a TIMS unit. And so if you've ever been to a physical therapist before, they hook up an electronic stimulator to the muscles, and it helps to reduce pain. This is a really strong TIMS unit that you can wear. If you've got neck pain, attach it, and you can wear it for as long as you want to. And it helps a lot with pain management. And so what you get with a Hinge Health program is a doctor to monitor your progress. You get a health coach to make sure that you're doing the exercises when you're supposed to do them. And this is a benefit that is included in our benefit plan at no additional charge. And so we've got members that have, I'll let you read these, but for various programs that have signed up and gone through the Hinge Health program, everybody really loves it. 843 members of ours have signed up in the last year for this program. If you're an employee or a dependent, you're covered by our medical program, then you're eligible to sign up for the Hinge Health program with just a phone call. Any questions about Hinge Health? Any advice for a grandfather? All right, so I'm standing between you and door prizes. Michelle?
Thank you, Rob. Thank you so much.